guys, Cameron's inside the office right now. He does not know how his car looks right now. We played around with our bumper a little bit. We did the 1LE package with some ZL1 bezels to keep the DRLs and the custom lighting. Let's go ahead and grab Cameron for you guys and show you guys the final results of his reveal on this beautiful Camaro. So we starting out with the bumper first. Gotta show the blast to the best. Let's come out this way, show the side profile. Should be good. And then you're rocking the full-on package with the 1LE with the custom color changing lights.
Yes, sir.
There you go. As you That's exactly. So the 1LE package, as you can see, the grille more aggressive, the lip, the gloss black, and then just the color change on everything. Okay. And then the cool thing about it too is Bluetooth. So I named it under KDRLs. So you know it's yours. So you want to do red, blue, green, all that good stuff. You can do a little color changing. And then you can just do it red. You can do white.
That's what I want to do. So then, so I could just leave them on.
Yes, you can leave them on there and all that good stuff. So if you want to download the app LED Hue, and I'm gonna show you one last thing that we did for this project. So as you can see, whenever you signal, the headlights will be sequential, but also your DRL fog lights will also be sequential.
No way.
And then you go back to one. So that's the cool thing about it. Wow. Should be good.
Can you do that one more time?
Yeah, there you go. So now you got the headlight, the bulb, the DRL, and the fog lights as well, which is really, really cool. Crazy. One of my favorite things.
No, that's for sure. That's nice. Wow. You killed it.
Thank you.
Killed it. So you said it looks good. Like even
yes, 100%. Yeah.
You said it's called Light Hue?
LED Hue. Oh, LED. So LEDs space HU. I'm gonna get out of my phone so you can able to log in.
I like that. I love that. And then it's for the badge.
I do have to. Okay, yeah, we're gonna put that on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So don't have
it on.
You wanna put it on? No, I haven't. No, yeah, but I have a cut on one of these.
Whenever it's downloaded, let me know. So the way to turn it on.
Surface scan.
Okay, halos. Okay. Like that, and then the way you turn it on is by this. That little switch, and you enter. Once you enter, the bottom line right here is always to the left, and then these two are speed and brightness, and then this is auto mode, and then these are the solid colors. So that's where the halo goes. Now you go back to the app. You're gonna have the there, same exact thing.
So if I leave, I can click that, log in, leave it. So say I wanted to leave it on that one on auto, and say I wanted to do a
there you go. Yeah, there you go. Once you get to it, you'll get to the fine of it. Whenever you're driving, though, you cannot have the whole only white or amber. Yeah, that's the only. Or else you're gonna get pulled over.
Oh, so then when I do auto, and then that's how you scroll through all the settings, right?
You can do multiple settings by going auto, but if let's just say you like one, you can just keep it there, and then you can go like do whatever you want.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Hey, good. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah. I'm impressed. Nah, they killed this shit. They killed that.
Cool. Alright. Sounds good. Cameron's full-on conversion kit that we did for him, the ZL1 1LE with a little bit of ZL1 touch to it as well. We did the OEM Replica Sequential headlight that we just added, and you guys saw part 1 video on that. And as well, we added the DRL fog lights for him. We did everything custom lighting. If you guys want the same exact setup for your Gen 6, this bumper will fit the LT, the RS, and the SS Camaro. It will not fit the OEM ZL1 and ZL1 1LE just because you guys have wider fenders for the OE ones. But without further ado, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button. So much content coming out for you guys. What's next for Cameron, guys? He's up to so much more. We might be starting his carbon addiction very, very soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I can't wait what's next. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.